Good morning everyone. Right, I'm going to share with you how to make the little the angel. So what I've got now are these ribbons, and they're wired ribbons. I can find the end of it. Now what you need to do, take your piece of ribbon and fold over the end about 1 centimetre like that. And then you're going to fold it over again. You do that twice. Then back fold it. So you're going to concertina it basically. And then fold that again. And you do that. Let's see, how many do we need? This is the arm we're going to do, and we'll do that again. I mean, it's up to you how many times you do it. I would only probably, let's have a look, do that 4 times, okay? Then what you're going to do is cut it, but double the length. Because then what you're going to do is you're going to tuck that in. Sorry, do it in the back, do it in the back. Open that up again if you've done it wrong like me. Fold that back and then fold that back again. Okay, so you've got that. So you've got altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folds there, and leave that like that. Then you're going to do, that's the top, the you know where the arms are supposedly. Now fold that back again. One small, and now you're going to do no, I'm going to do it a different way, sorry. Right, so fold that over like that, and then I'm going to cut that about 6 inches long. Then cut 14 centimetres long. Fold the ends in about 1 centimetre like that, and then what you're going to do is either end, doesn't matter, you're going to fold that into little concertinas, see, like that, just about 1/2 centimetre. Never mind what the bottom bit's doing, just get the top going like that. So use your fingers. It is fiddly, and for me it's extremely fiddly. Yeah, and that should bring that in like that. Just ignore that at the moment. So you've got that. Now you take a pin, and I've got these little fancy diamanty ones. Oh, but any pin will do that you can use. Oops, stuck to my hand. I'm just gonna get a bead cap, and I'm going to get a couple of these, which are the little roundels, or you can do these as well, doesn't matter. We're going to do a mixture of different things. So I need a normal little bead cap, which I'm going to, a little silver one there. I'm going to get a couple of silver bits. But you can do all different ones, so it doesn't matter. Whatever it is you've got at hand. I'm just going to get a few out. Like that. Okay, we don't want that. My little bits back. Okay, right, we'll just move these bits out of the way. So we've got this. Now you need a couple of pearls, and you need fairly big ones, you know, you got to put a nice head on it. Let's have a look. You can do different coloured ones, that's fine. So right now I'm going to use this one. Take your pin, take your bead cap. In fact, I'm going to do a different bead cap on the top. Put the pearl on, like that, and then that. So we've got that. And then you take the arms. Remember, the opening has to be on the back. Try and get this in the middle. Like that. And then this fits in the middle of the skirt. So just find the middle. And then what I do is I put the glue in the middle. You might want to do it differently, but this is how I do mine. Push that in, push it down, and pull all of that together like that. It's the easiest way I've found to do them. Just the easiest. Now, oops, take that off. Then what you do is you can open up this skirt piece and you put a dab of glue in between each one of those creases. Pinch it as tight as possible. Like that. And then you just spread the... Oh, I've got glue all over me, look. Right. And you just spread these out and you just crease them. I don't always like mine creased, I have to say. And I'm just going to do bigger ones like that. Okay. Like I said, they can be a bit filly. You can do them all like this if you want, but I don't like them all like that. I like to be different. I don't always want mine the same. So there's my little angel. But with these, then what I do is I turn that down. Bend that down in half. Bend that one down in half. That one down, and then that one down. And it brings them forward like an arm. Like that. Just bend them on top of each other. Like that. See? They're really easy to do. Bit fiddly, but that's all. And then what you can do if you want to is to add some wings. So what I did with mine, I used this, which was the webbing. And all I did, well, that's a little bit too much, but never mind. All I did was to cut a heart. That's all I did. I need the string. I used a little bit of bead. I could use the pink. Oh, here it is. I found it. Well, I know I had it somewhere. Just a little bit of pink to hang it with. Like that. Place that on top and manoeuvre that into place. And you can even pinch the wings at the back. And there you go. You've got your little angel. Take all the glue off. And these can be trimmed down if they're too big for you. And then a little piece of, let's have a look, see what we've got here. A little decoration in the front. Just there. And I've got something like little, that's it. Pin that down. Like that. Very simple, very quick and very easy to make. And they look great on your Christmas tree. I mean, obviously that could be a little bit bigger. But the bigger the ribbon, you know, I'm going to try and make a bigger one so you can see that. Let's just have a look. I did have some ribbon somewhere. Somewhere I did. Let me just try this one. Might be a bit more difficult, but it's the same principle. Take this just to seal it off. Okay, fold that back like that and fold that again. That just protects that edge. Now I'm just gonna, I would cut two pieces at 14 centimeters, to be honest. Fold that back, fold that back again, a little bit bigger, and then we just concertina it. Like that. Just fold that back. Okay, so you've got that. They don't have to be perfect. Leave that to one side. Take your next one. I'm not measuring mine, but I would measure yours about 14. Fold that back. Back again, which keeps a straight edge, a nice neat edge. Like that. And then what I did, like I say, is I just creased mine like that, just to make the skirt. Now that's the back, because the folds are on the back. So what we're going to do, oh, get your pearly bit ready. Where's my little stem? There we are. So I'm going to put on a small bead cap. A larger bead. I'm going to use a roundel. Let's use a bigger roundel. Okay. And then I'm going to glue that into place. So we separate that where the centre is. Oh no, we don't, silly owl. Silly woman. So we take the centre bit of this first. Roughly the centre. And then glue that into place. I've already put the glue on there. Okay. Oops, I've just bent the pin like a wally. So, and then what I do is turn that around and we open up all these joints, all these sections here. And shut them up again. Like that. Now you can open these like this if you wish. It's completely up to you how you have them. But I kind of like, I like twist them down. I like to, let me just show you what I mean, like that. Twist them downwards. I just think it looks a little bit nicer. It's just my opinion. So twist them down. Like that. Like I say, it can be a little bit fiddly, but hey ho. So, I just like them like that. I just think it's nice. And then we can shape these. However you want them. I can't, sorry, my fingers just won't work. It's really, but it's like that anyway. Sorry, but it's hard. Because I can't feel the ends of my fingers. And then, like I say, you can add on here, like I could put one of these on. We'll just put one of these here. Like that. See, nice little iridescent. That's a nice little angel. And then we're just going to pop on the string bit. I might actually do the white one for that one. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. Can't I? Yeah, we'll do this one. Excuse me. Right, we'll just pop that on there. A minute. And where's my wings? What did I do? Oh, I'll use this. I'll use this. Now, I want to give it a different wing. You know what I could use? Let me just see. I could use this, couldn't I? Let me just see if I can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. I can use that. You can use a little bit of a doily. That's it. String everywhere. And let me just stick this on properly because it's not on as it should be. See, I just cut one of the little petals out of that flower and I ended up with little angel wings. And I just think that's great. They're great little ornaments. I like those. I like them bigger actually. But it's just another thing for your tree. Right, so we've done those. So I'm going to get on because I need to do another one of those